To make this paper flower, we will require few tissue papers. If you are out of tissue papers, you can use crepe paper. Just cut it into the size of tissue. A cutting plier, a pair of scissors, a craft wire and a flower vase. Now let's get started. Take a tissue paper and you need to make frills out of it, such that it will look like flower petals. Now let's cut the left out piece. We need to make 4 such petals. Now let's open all 4 and join them together. After joining, it must look somewhat like a triangle. Now, we need to make the same frill like we did with the single tissue papers. We are doing this so that we get more thicker flower petals. Even after joining all 4 tissue papers, you might get some pieces left out. We need to just cut them off. After joining all of them together, we need to now make the stem of the flower by using the craft wire that we already chose and the plier. Aiming for the center, we need to roll the craft wire along the tissue paper. You can use the plier or your hand, that is all up to you. After attaching the steel wire, we need to now make the flower petals. Since there are 4 tissue papers, it will be very easy to make. We need to just pull each tissue paper to the outside and make frills out of it. In this way, we need to open all 4. Basically, it's all 8 because there are 2 sides. So all 8 sides of the tissue paper to make the flower petals. After opening up all the sides, it must look somewhat like this. In case the petals come out, you just need to push it inside so that it gives a better shape to the flower. In the same way, let's make one more flower with a set of white tissue papers and yellow crepe paper. It's your wish if you want to take yellow, but I chose the color yellow. Now after making all these 3, it should look kinda like this. Now let's take a pot so that we can make the 3 flowers stand. But before we making them directly stand, we need to join all those 3 together so that they don't separate and it look beautiful like this. To join all of this together, you can use a plier or you can use your hand. So using the plier or your hand, you can just roll all the 3 strands together. After joining all of them, it should look somewhat like this. And whatever is left out, we need to just cut it off with the scissors. Here's our flower. Now we need to just insert them into the flower pot. And voila! Here we have our flowers. Hope you liked this video and stay tuned for more dance, music, food and creativity.